You're at Domino's.
Things were gone, worked for all my life, and I had to start again. Just my children and my wife.
Used to know every word to the song. We'd sing it whenever we went to Westover Air Force Base to welcome home the troops during the first Gulf War.
And they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA.
It'd be funnier if they played Toby Keith's song, though.
From the lakes of Minnesota to the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, from sea to shining sea, from Detroit down to Houston and New York to LA. There's pride in every American heart.